Hi, to factory reset your Garmin Vivoactive 5. Firstly, you need to find this down button and hold it till you can see this menu appears on the screen. From here, choose this first section, Settings, and now just scroll down and go in the System section. After that, you will need to scroll a bit and select Reset option. And now you'll see two more options: Reset default settings and Delete data and reset settings. So if you would like to factory reset your watch, you will need to select this second section by tapping it, and this restores default settings and clears all data such as activities and music. If you would like to perform factory reset, just confirm this step by pressing check mark, and now your watch will turn off. It will be restarted, so it will turn on just in a couple of minutes, and you will need to set it up again. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.